Hey, hi, welcome guys. Welcome back to our channel, which is Pybron. So today I'm going to discuss about one of the very trending concept like a regular expression, which is going to be used in various perspective. Okay, as a data scientist, everyone should know what is the regular expression, because if you are going to deal with the any kind of NLP based problem, in that time we are going to use this regular expression thing, right? So let's, without getting delay, I'm going to start regular expression. So regular expression is coming under this RE module, which is inbuilt module of the Python. So for this, you no need to install any kind of package. Okay. So in case of regular expression, there is a four methods is very important. First method, what I can say, find all. Though many more, no worries, but these are the four method are very very important method, I can say. Third one is split, and the fourth one is substitute. This is known as the substitute. What is the find all is doing? Basically, find all, it will find all the matching element from your string. It will return list of all the matches all the matches from the string, right? Search, what it will do, it will return it will return so it will return first matching. It will return first matching. Wherever we have first matching, it will return first matching. Okay, I'll discuss all those things. Split, what is split is doing, it will return setup string. It will return list of object where we have to split. And substitute, if I want to substitute by the matching the pattern, then we can use the substitute function, right? Hope you understood. Let's discuss all those functions one by one, and we will get in-depth knowledge about that. So what I did, I just import the package, RE package, and this is my input string. Her name is Anurame. And now what I'm trying to do here I'm passing that matching pattern, which I have to check ME and the text, and I'm going to print it out whether it is there or not. So if you are going to see my output, if you can see my output, in my output I am getting ME two times. Why? Because ME is matching here one time, here one time. That's what it returned me a list with all matches of ME, right? You understood what is the use of find all. Now similarly, I'm going to discuss about search. Okay, so let me show you the search operation also. So there is the same thing, just I'm going to change find all to search. So what the search is going to be done here, let's try to understand. Search will give you means first matching first matching index. You can see my first ME is here only, right? And what is the index of this ME? This you can count 0. H is 0, 1, 2, 3. Basically 3 is for what? 3 is for space. And 4 is N, 5 is A, and 6 is what? 6 is my basically M, and 7 is E, and 8 is space. So between 6 to 8 my ME is present, first ME. So it will return only first wala. It will not check the remaining. If at the first place it found the ME, then it will not check the second place, right? Now, so hope you understood the search function. Now I'm going to discuss about the split. Okay, just I'm going to change split function. I'm going to change the split function, and what it will do, okay, let's see what is going to be done. So wherever the ME will get, wherever I found the ME, it will split the string at that moment. See, you can see her and A up from here to there, it converted one string, and then there from here to here there is one string. See, you can see from here to there it's another string. Then after ME there is nothing, so another string is giving, right? And if you want to change the space, means with the space you want to split, you can give the space sign also, and it will give you the list of all words, right? This is very important split method we used to use every time, right? Now I'm going to discuss about the substitute method. So Anyway, we are going to discuss all those methods in depth, don't worry. But as of now, just I'm giving the brief knowledge of all those method, how the method is going to work. Now what I'm trying to do, just try to understand substitute method, right? So substitute, what it will do, substitute basically, what is going to be done here. Okay, so substitute, it will ask three parameter. In case of if you know the syntax for find all and search, it is asking for two parameter, but in case of substitute, it will ask three parameter. One parameter, which thing you have to change. So I want to change space. I will discuss about this special character, don't worry. In the next video, I am going coming with this. Basically, this is the complete playlist. This playlist I made for the regular expression. So all the video related with the regular expression, I'll keep it in this playlist. Okay. So this slashes, I'll discuss it out. So slashes basically is representing the space sign. So space, I'm going to convert that space with 9. I'm going to convert that space with 9 in the text. And now if I am going to execute this query, you can see wherever the space was there, after her and between name, after her and before name, there is a space. So that space has been filled by 9. Similarly, after name and before is, there is a space. So that space is going to convert with the 9. Similarly, after is and before Anudame, there is a space. So that space got converted with the 9. So in this way, this 4 method is going to be work. Hope you understood about this 4 method. If you really like this video, then I'm requesting, please do subscribe our channel so that never miss our update. Thank you for watching this. Thank you.